Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sensor and your finger so enrollment succeeds on the first try. Clean the reader briefly. Oils and debris cause failures, so wipe with alcohol and dry. Next, place the finger flat and centered, not just the tip, and press with steady, light pressure. Repeat 3 to 5 times while rotating the finger slightly to capture edges. Once done, save a clear profile name. This improves matching speed and reduces false rejects during real use. You authenticate by waking the device and presenting the same area you enrolled. Wake the screen or tap the reader since many sensors sleep to save power, and a cold sensor returns rejects. Place the identical pad and hold it steady for 1 to 2 seconds while the algorithm analyzes minutiae points. If it fails, pause briefly and retry with the same angle and pressure up to 3 times. If retries fail, use your alternate method, PIN or pattern, so you don't lock yourself out. You finish by practicing secure session habits and handling issues quickly. Always lock or sign out when done. Fingerprints ease access but do not replace good physical security. If you hit frequent false rejects due to cuts, dryness, or season, re-enroll the finger or add a secondary finger. Troubleshoot by cleaning the sensor, drying your finger, and checking for firmware updates. These often fix matching problems. If nothing helps, switch to the fallback PIN and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.